In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete form submissions in HubSpot. If you're a super admin or a user who has the permission to delete form submissions, this guide will walk you through the official process. Before we dive in, it's worth noting that the ability to delete form submissions is currently rolling out to HubSpot accounts, and some of you may have early access through a private beta. Now, let's start by exploring how to remove individual submissions. First, navigate to your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing section. Under Marketing, find and click on Forms. When you see the list of forms, hover over the specific form that contains the submission you want to delete. You'll notice an Actions button appear. Click on it, and then select View Submissions from the drop-down menu. Once you have the list of submissions before you, hover over the particular submission you'd like to remove. Clicking on Delete will bring up a dialog prompt where you'll need to confirm that you indeed want to delete the submission. This is HubSpot's way of making sure that no accidental deletions happen, so take a moment to double-check before confirming. Now, if you have multiple submissions to delete, HubSpot allows you to handle this in bulk, although there are some constraints. On the Submissions page, you can select up to 10 submissions at one go, which is the maximum per action. After making your selections, proceed to click Delete at the top of the page, and again, confirm your decision in the dialog that appears. Remember, HubSpot has set a limit of 200 deletions per user per day, so plan accordingly if you have a large volume of submissions to manage. Once you've deleted a submission, you'll find that the changes take effect immediately. This means the submission counts, conversion rates, and your form analytics will update right away, reflecting the most current data. The deleted submission will disappear from the contact's timeline, giving you a tidy record history. However, it's crucial to understand that while the form submission itself is deleted, the contact record remains intact. Additionally, any workflows that were triggered by that submission will not be reversed unless they're set up to unenroll contacts if conditions change. This is something you might want to check in your workflow settings if it's relevant to your processes. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to deleting form submissions in HubSpot. Being able to remove these submissions can help maintain cleaner data and more accurate analytics, which are vital for making informed marketing decisions. Remember to check your permissions and make sure you conduct deletions thoughtfully, especially considering the daily limit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.